Hello and welcome to my channel Lux Lucem. I am Frank. Today we will talk about Fistemele, bow squares and bracelet. Fistemele comes from a Saxon word. It's a trad unit to measure bracelet. Fistemele is about 6.5 inches, 16.5 centimeters. It is measured using your fist with your thumb. Nowadays we use bow squares, but are they accurate and how to use it? I will try 3 different bow squares from 3 different manufacturers: Flex, Avalon and Easton. We'll see that there are gaps, but not that bad. That will teach us our first lesson. Always use the same bow square to be accurate and to have exactly the same bracelet. Avalon bow square is pretty precise. 20.1 centimeters, 7/50/16 of an inch for measuring 8 inches. The Flex one is a bit less precise, 20 centimeters and 7/8 of an inch instead of 8 inches. And last but not least, Easton bow square. It's a little more accurate than the Avalon, a little more than 20.1 centimeters, 7/15/16 of an inch. It has 2 levels of grooves. First grooves are made for the installation of your knocks, and the second level of grooves is made for measuring the bracelet, so be careful to use the right grooves. The right adjustment of bracelet is very important. Your bow will be less noisy, there will be less vibrations, you'll get a better hour flight and so better accuracy at each shot. That's all for now. Please leave a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. It's important for the channel. I am still Frank and you are still watching Lux Lucem. Bye!